Hello, Shruti.
Hello, sir. I was not able to connect.
No, that was even see. I was waiting for you from 15 minutes. You need to come on
Oh,
time, at 10 p.m. So I waited
yes,
for
sir.
you for 12, 13 minutes, and after that I disconnect. You can only connect when I
Mm,
will join here as a host. So come on time because I
mm,
have another meeting at 10:30. So the time is really important. Okay, I need to schedule my timing like this. Okay? So next time, please
yeah.
come on time. Whatever time we schedule, please come on time. Okay, not even delay for 5 minutes. Okay, time is really
Yes,
important. Okay, not only
yes,
here
sir.
but everywhere, wherever you go, time is really important. If you will respect the time, time will respect you. You need to finish, you need to join, you need to cover your, you need to make your practice on time, everything. Okay, so now tell me that I will first going to share my screen. Okay, after that we will talk further. Okay, so see, last time we have covered almost 4 videos, 5 videos in fact, and I have explained you that how to merge the admin panel template into Laravel. So have you done these 5 parts?
Yes, fourth part I have till video 4 I have done. Fourth one. Fifth I have watched that video. I
Okay,
have to
until
try that.
fourth part you have done. You able to merge. You are saying that you able to now home page is opening at your end, index page.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
It's opening.
can you show me once by sharing the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, one
Yes, sir.
minute. I will give you permission, then you can share. 1 second. Yeah. Now you can share. Okay, share your screen and show me once. Okay. This is the index.html. You need to show me that in Laravel. You need to
Mm.
run your project and
Uh, is it able to see, sir, all of that Laravel dashboard?
no, I am just able to see your one tab that is index.html. Sky dash.
Okay, okay. Mm. So now
Yeah, now it is fine. Okay. So yeah, dashboard is here. Fine.
this arrow is not coming, so.
I think your CSS is not able to connect. So check your path. You need to check your path. Okay. So make
Okay.
sure
So
also.
there hash is given.
Hmm.
That hash I have to delete. Means remove. I have to remove that hash.
See, you need to check for the path first. Okay. If the path is not connected, then you are going to see the 404 error. You need to check in console. You know how to use the console
Yes, sir.
mode, debug mode. This is
Sorry.
a debug mode.
Debug mode.
Console.
No,
Yeah.
I check in
Inspect.
the inspect.
Yeah.
In
Now,
inspect,
now check
I
your
check.
path. Check your path for this one. Path for your CSS. Show me your path. Go at the top. Not here. Go at the top. Only issue is there must be in head. In head. Go in head. Top in head. Yeah.
Mm.
Show me your CSS paths. Open the head.
So,
One. This one.
so
Second.
how to go there? Head.
Head tag.
And
Head tag.
okay,
This
yeah,
one.
yeah. Okay, okay,
Enable.
yes, yes.
Enable this one. Enable. Yeah. Okay. And now see. So make sure that all these CSS are coming fine. Okay. So you need to check one by one. Like first one, you need to check. First one,
This
first
one.
this one. So first one, check
I have
one.
to click on it.
Yeah, click on it. Double click on it. Okay, you can copy and open in new tab. If you
Okay,
can't
okay.
able to open, then you can open in new tab. Yeah, paste here and enter. See,
Hmm.
like I have told you, your
Not
path is not correct. Okay, so you need to make sure
okay.
your path must be correct. See, you need to watch my videos carefully and check where I have copied those CSS. I have explained you this thing in last video. Are you getting my point? See, you
Yes.
need to copy your CSS in the correct folder. See,
Okay.
in the admin, you need to copy your CSS in the public. After public, what is there? Admin. So,
Admin.
uh, so you need to copy your public admin CSS and you need to copy your CSS there. Okay, then you have not updated your paths. Path is still old. Okay, you need
Okay.
to update CSS and JS path, then it will work fine. Okay, so
Okay,
I
sir.
hope that this is very simple. Try
Yes.
tomorrow. Okay,
Yes.
and I hope that you can able to do. Now I can tell you further. Okay,
Yes.
fine. So
Yes,
you
sir.
can stop sharing. I will share my screen.
Okay.
You can able to see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see, now we are going to do the multiple authentication. Okay, you need to configure your website with the multi authentication. Like I have explained you earlier also, there are two types of
Okay.
authentication we are going to do. One for the users and one for the admins and guards, admins and vendors.
Yes.
Okay, we are going to use the guards for admin and vendors. Guards we are going to use for the multiple authentication, for the multi auth. Okay, that I have explained you earlier. Okay, so now in
Yes.
sixth and seventh part we have covered this. In sixth part, just we have created the admins and vendors table with the help of migration command. I have explained you also about the migration command. You remember migration commands.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you need to create two tables, admins and vendors table first of all. Okay, that is very easy to create. You can also create from the PHP my admin, but I suggest to create from the migration commands. Okay,
Yes.
so that you will fully aware of the Laravel command. In case you don't have the PHP my admin, then at that time migration will come into effect. Okay, fine. Okay, see,
Yes, sir.
in sixth part you will create the tables, and in seventh part now, see, main role will come. In seventh part, you need to watch it very carefully. I suggest you to watch it at least 2 3 times because it is very complex. It is not that much complex. It will for the first time you will feel a bit complex because we are going to configure our website for auth and guard. For the guard, basically, auth is already there. See, Laravel comes with the auth. Fine. You need not to make any efforts for the auth. But now we are going to configure our Laravel website for the guards. Okay. So we are going to follow step by step. I'm going to explain you briefly that what you are going to do. Okay. So just wait for this second. Uh, this is the part 7. Okay. So so see, for setting the guard in Laravel, okay, we need to configure few files. We need to update few files. So there are few files. One of the file is the admin.php file. Okay. See, we have created the admin model. You need to create the admin model in your whenever you are going to create the table. After creating the table, you are going to create the admin model. You know now how to create a model. Fine.
Mm.
Ask me.
No.
Model, you don't know
No,
how to
sir.
create a model. Model, you don't know how to create a
No,
model in Laravel.
no,
You know about MVC.
no, sir.
You know about MVC framework.
Yes, sir. Mod that I know. Means theoretical I know. Controller and view I can do, but don't know about model.
I am surprised that you are not aware of the model because that is the basic thing. Model. Okay. See, uh, you uh, you know PHP artisan command. Okay, you
Yes,
know
sir.
about PHP artisan serve command. There are many
Yes, sir.
commands PHP artisan that is related with the PHP artisan. That is for creating the model, that is for creating the controller, that is for making that migration
Hmm.
file, that is for making the seeder. Okay, so
Yes,
see,
sir.
if you are watching my videos from the first video, okay, then see in you are going to watch this videos. I think it will come when you will create the admins and vendors table with migration. We are going to you are going to learn the PHP artisan migrate command. I'm just going to show you, like, this is the command PHP artisan. You are using this serve command right now, but now we are going to use this command, make migration for creating the table. Okay, you are going to use this command again and again. Now PHP artisan, I am just telling you here. Okay, make a model. Okay, for making the model. Okay,
Hmm.
like this. It is double caps. Okay, uh, like this. Okay, so in the same way, make controller for creating the controller. So these command you are going to use again and again. Okay, so these command we are going to use.
Yes, sir.
So you are going to make the model for both admin as well as vendor. So what is model exactly? That I am going to tell you what is model exactly. If you don't know, then I will briefly tell you. For connecting the tables to the website, see, model will act as a bridge for connecting
Hmm.
database to the view part. Okay, it
Hmm.
will act as a bridge. So with every model, whenever you will create any table, you need to create its model as well. Okay, and make one thing in your mind, like whenever you will create the tables, table must be in plural.
Hmm.
Okay, write down the points whatever. If you okay, you can also write down your points. Okay, so see, like for the admins table, like you are going to create the admins table. So I'm going to share you one video also in which I have explained all these kind of things, like the which kind of model will come, plural, singular, like this kind of thing. Okay, so that we call it like I think naming conventions. You know about naming conventions?
Uh, for Laravel,
Hmm? Naming
um,
conventions for
since
Laravel.
I have read it,
Okay.
like in plurals,
Okay.
if they are keeping table name in plurals, no, no, in database
Hmm.
with singular, no, sir. And here we have to use it in plurals, Laravel coding, that
Yeah.
same table name.
I see. I am going to share you one video in which I have explained the naming conventions of Laravel. Okay. Do watch that video so all your basics
Okay.
will get clear. See, for everything, for model name, for controller name, for table name, for variable name, for function name, you need
Oh.
to decide that which one you are going to use. Okay, some of will not work, like if you are going to make the model singular, like the admin only. If you will create the admin table without s, then it will never
Hmm.
connect to the model file. Okay, table name must be admins. See here, table name must be admins or vendors, whatever what comes. I'm going to show you in table itself. See here, I'm going to show you, like I'm opening this one. This is the admin model. Okay, here you can see the
Hmm.
admin. Okay, and
Hmm.
here I'm going to show you that screen, admins model. Here, if you, I'm going to open the database. ecom 9 is our database, and here I'm going to show you. See this one. This is the admins table. You can see here all the tables.
Yes, sir.
See here, admins, banners, brands, categories, countries. You can see as in last for all the tables. You can see it. Okay, you
Then
can.
model has to be singular.
Yeah, model
Model
has
name.
to be singular and tables has to be plural. Okay,
Okay.
you can see all the tables are plural. Okay, so admins and vendors both will be plural, and its model is singular like admin, and its first letter
Mm.
must be in caps. See here,
Okay.
admin.php, and vendor.php. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so
So it
tell.
if we don't create model,
Hmm.
we can
You
means
can
connect
also
to the database using controller, right?
connect. There are other commands also, like you can connect with the db table also. Db table of Laravel command. There are certain commands that you can use here, certain syntax, certain keyword, built-in function that you can use without model, but that is not recommended. Okay, you need to create a model. Okay, for every table, so that you can also add model related function into the model file. Controller
Okay.
is having the another role. From controller you are going to call the models. You can call the
Mm-hmm.
different model files into the controller. See, you can see in our Laravel website or any website, there are 4 5 controllers, but there are 15 20 models. So controller is one base that can have the 4 5 models attached. Are you getting my point?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we can't
Mm.
create controller for every, like admin controller, vendor controller, this one controller. We can't do that. See, there are so many tables. We can't create controller for every table. We will not do that. But we are going to create the controller for the for common controller for 2 3 things. Okay, like there are user controller, like we use user control. There are very many website in which we use user type, maybe customer, maybe dealer, maybe something. Okay, then controller will be only one. Here also we are going to use the admin controller. See, admin controller, here we are going to add all the functions. See, vendor also come up here, admin controller also come up. Okay, everything. See, admin letter, vendor letter function, everything comes here. Okay, in user controller, everything related to the users. Okay, like this. Got my point?
Okay. Yes, sir. Look, this model functions, how they are.
Hmm?
Can you tell? In models,
Hmm.
how you means access the functions, model functions.
See, model function. See, model, like, see, I'm going to show you. See here, function you know how to create. Okay, simply we
Mm.
can
Yes, sir.
create this function. Okay, so these function we can call in, like in admin controller you can call any function. Here we can connect the function. Okay, in
Mm.
in any controller file we can connect any function that we have created in model.
How means where it is used, sir? Function,
Yeah,
that
yeah,
model function
I'm
is
going
it
to show
used?
you. There are many functions that we have also connected maybe from the model. uh I'm going to show you. Here you can see here
Mm-hmm.
this one second. Product where find. See here, this one. See, this is a function that we have connected. Okay, public static function sections. Okay, So this one,
Hmm.
I'm going to see this function we have connected somewhere in the front header. When we have started working on the front as well, I'm going to show you how we have connected. Uh, See here, you can see we have
Yes, sir.
connected the function here. This, what is this? This is the model, and we have connected this function.
Okay.
Okay, so we have connected
Yes, sir.
this function from this model and this function, and we have connected, and rest we have done in for each loop. This one I will tell you further. Okay, I will tell you further. We will do step by step. This one will also come. I will tell you that how to connect. I will explain you everything. But first you need to make sure that you need to do the multiple auth. First you create admins table, vendors table. Okay, see, now I need to go. I have another class. We will connect tomorrow again. We will schedule the timing for tomorrow, but please come on time. Okay, so
What is the timing, sir?
timing for tomorrow.
Yes,
What?
sir.
Yeah, yeah. I see tomorrow maybe at 10 p.m. Is fine. At
10 p.m.
10 p.m. is fine at night.
Uh,
You
okay, sir.
or in morning
Yes, sir.
at
Fine.
or in morning at 8:30 a.m. I have two
Uh,
tomorrow. I have two slots tomorrow.
okay.
Either at 8:30 in morning or at 10 p.m. At night. Or we can,
Okay.
or you can simply email me.
Uh, okay. Um, yes, sir. In morning 8:30.
Fine.
I'll tell you in after means
But
at till
see,
11. I will tell you then.
but I want that you will do something. But I want that you will finish. Uh,
Okay.
so I
Then
think
I will connect at 10 p.m. night.
10 p.m. at night is better, I think, because you will get the time tomorrow to do these
Yeah.
kind of things. Okay, you will correct your CSS, merge, and watch the other two videos. Watch those videos as well. Okay,
Okay, sir.
also create the tables, admins tables, vendors table, create model, admin model, vendor model. Okay,
Hmm.
watch my videos. That in those videos I have explained everything very clearly. Watch them twice if you are getting any issue. Okay, otherwise if you will stuck, I will explain you means tomorrow night. Okay, at the time that we have scheduled. Okay, fine.
Hmm. Okay, sir.
And please be,
So till video 7.
hmm? See,
Video 7 I have to.
you see, first you need to finish your video na. First you need to finish your this one, fifth video. Okay, fifth video is pending. Correct your paths.
Yes.
Your CSS must be correct. Your page must be 100% correct. Everything must come. All the icons must come. Everything must come. Okay, try to debug your code. 404 issue must not come. Okay, then watch this sixth video in which you are going to create the table. Okay, and see, try to watch seventh video as well. Otherwise, I am going to explain you. Okay, but try at least up till six. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Up till seven, if you can able to do, there are few steps that you need to take for creating the guard. Okay, so try up till seven. So if you will complete up till seven, then we will do further. Okay, fine.
Okay, sir.
Uh, okay, then we will again meet. Okay, tomorrow. Okay, then
Okay, sir.
it's fine for now. Okay, then have a nice time.
Okay, sir.
Take
Yes,
care.
sir.
Bye.
Bye. Good night.
Goodbye.